Hi friends, welcome. I hope that everyone's 2025 is starting off fantastic. I know that mine is. I think this is going to be such a great year. I'm getting ready to take my boards, doing a lot of studying, and also I have been, with Scott gone, I have just been cleaning out my house. It's going to take me a while to get everything in the place that I want to. Reese, say hi. I'm getting there slowly but surely, and I'm super happy about it. So while I was cleaning out closets, I found these old, they're like candle decor from Yankee Candle. So these things are probably, they are at least 20 years old. And I bought them from the actual Yankee Candle factory. And it's either in Massachusetts or somewhere like near there, because I remember going to it when I went to visit in Massachusetts. So these things, they're really cute, and I have a couple of them in there. I completely forgot that I had them, but this is, back then all these colors were fun, but not necessarily what I want now. But I was thinking that I could probably repurpose this, and especially since like all of these like flip-flops and glasses and stuff are raised, I feel like it would be super cute. So we're gonna try it and see. Now this, okay, so back in the day, I don't know how much these would be now or if they even still sell them, but this was $16.99. And this one still has the price on it too. It was $8.99. The flip-flop large tray. Designed by Michael Sparks. Exclusively for the Yankee Candle Company. So I'm going to use chalk paint, and the reason I'm going to use chalk paint is because this is like a very slippery, shiny surface. So I want something that will adhere to it without having to do a lot of work, and I don't want to be like sanding ceramic. So I'm going to use chalk paint and see how that works. Now, I've already washed this, and I'm going to take off these little guys here because I don't really want them. Oh, I broke the ceramic. Let's see if I can take this out without breaking it. I feel like these are those things that you would find like at a garage sale. I honestly don't even know if they still sell stuff like this. I haven't been to the Yankee Candle factory in so long. Definitely pulling the ceramic out, but I think but it's fine. It's not like it's like sharp or anything. So just to like save space, and since I'm going to paint this anyways, I'm going to put paint in the center of this. And this is the Waverly chalk paint in Snow White from Walmart. Of course, you can use whatever chalk paint, but I just feel like chalk paint is probably the better option because chalk paint is very forgiving and it will kind of stick to anything. All right, so you guys, this week I'm gonna try, my goal is for Friday. But so I took a video. My little grandson, he got this smasher for Christmas, and he loves watching the little kids on YouTube open the smasher. So he told me that he wanted to make a video opening his smasher. Now, you know, he just turned 5, so the video is obviously extremely long, and it's going to take me a little bit of time to go in and edit it so that it's not super long, but yet still, you know, has all the stuff in it. So I'm hoping to have time to get it done so that I can put it up on Friday. But anyways, he's so cute because, you know, again, he turned 5 in November, but he obviously watches me sometimes, because the first thing is, "Hi, friends." It's adorable. It's adorable. So when I get it up, please give him some love. And, you know, it's not something that we're, you know, we have no desire to let him do YouTube videos on the regular by any stretch of the imagination, but he just, you know, he wanted to do it. He loves watching people open those things, and he really wanted to do it, so I let him. So hopefully I can get it all together decently and get it up. I'm going to try on Friday. So I'll see how this dries. It might have to have a second coat, but the chalk paint is wonderful because it just really covers everything. And the one thing about it is that it is so forgiving. So like, even like once it dries, like even my brush marks and stuff, it won't, you know, they'll be fine. Like, it won't even really show them. I do think it's going to need a second coat though, just because of the colors being so bright and it being so white, which is no big deal. That's the other nice thing, is that chalk paint dries so quickly. And I'm just, I'm not going to paint the underneath, but I am making sure that I paint where the hooks were in the ceramic, just to, you know, get rid of that broken ceramic feel. And I am obviously not being meticulous with this because, again, I just feel like with chalk paint you don't necessarily have to be. Ooh. I mean, it needs another coat for sure, but I actually think it's going to be super cute. I am off today and doing a bunch of, you know, going through closets and throwing stuff out and getting things together. So, and it's cold here, so I am, well, it's Florida cold, I should say. I mean, let's not kid ourselves. Although I have been told that, I haven't looked at the weather myself, but I have been told that we're supposed to get weather to like 19 degrees next week, or maybe this week, with a chance of like snow flurries. I have seen it snow flurry twice in Florida. It never like sticks to the ground. Well, and I'm near the like beach area. I'm near Cocoa Beach. So, I live in the Space Coast, so, you know, I think the Panhandle has had more, but I mean like in this area here. All right, we'll let this dry and then I'll put on another coat. All right, I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Reese is so cute. He's sitting up in behind me on the table. All right, so it's been 30 minutes. It should be long enough that I can paint another layer.
I do like this though. I think that this is super cute. And it's honestly going to be exactly what I was looking for. But now I will let it dry completely.
All right, so now we'll let it dry completely and we'll see how it looks. All right, and here is my finished project. Now, I know this is a very simple idea, but it's just a reminder that you can use something as simple as some chalk paint to repurpose items. And this, you know, in this nice white, it's still super girly with all the flip-flops and all the beachy stuff, but it goes so well with my bathroom now. And now these candles right here, these are great if you need to do, if you want to do like a Cricut project and you don't want to make your own candles. These are so nice. They come without a label. They're from IKEA and you can get them in several different colors. This is lavender. I personally don't like the smell of all the colors, but the ones that I do like, I really do like. This one smells fantastic, but it just goes really nice. I had redone this bathroom and I just feel like this right here just goes with it, the new bathroom. So cute. There's me getting ready for work. And then I let this dry overnight. Now with chalk paint, you can, you know, put a wax seal over it. I tend to only do wax if I'm using chalk paint on furniture. You know, then I think that wax is super important, but you can put, you know, wax on any chalk paint that you want and give it a little smoother appearance if you need to. But chalk paint is just very forgiving. And I think it turned out super cute. There's Buddy Boy. There he is. Reese, say hi. Say hi. Oh, say hi. Oh, you're a good boy. Say hi. Oh, say hi. All right. Well, anyways, simple, but I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day. And I'll see you later, my sweet friends. Bye.